In this video on Mostly Tech, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen without OBS Studio, and it's also 100% free. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful, and also if you have any questions or problems. I actually do read all of your comments. To record your computer screen, we're going to be using a program called Flashback Express, which can be downloaded from flashbackrecorder.com entirely for free. However, it is currently for Windows only. Sorry, Mac and Linux users. Once you've downloaded and installed the program, if I recall correctly, you may need to register for a free account and get a license key emailed to you in order to activate the software. However, I did this a while ago, so I'm not sure if you need one anymore. Let me know in the comments if you do. When Flashback Express is finally installed and activated, open the program. On the first screen, you can define some of the basic recording settings. Where it says record, you can choose whether to record full screen, a specific region, or a specific window. In this tutorial, I will go with full screen recording. Next is the audio section. Here you want to select your audio sources. Make sure the check marks are ticked on the left for them to be active. In the first option, you'll want to choose your microphone. The second one is your desktop audio source. Default PC speakers should be fine. You can also adjust the volume of each audio source on the right if needed. To modify more settings, go to the Tools menu and click on Options. We're going to check out the record mode and performance settings. By default, the settings are set to automatic, which means Flashback Express will record at about 15 frames per second. This is okay for recording a desktop tutorial or something like that, but video games will require a higher frame rate, such as 25 or 30 frames per second. I suggest using GDI mode and recording in lossless quality. Basically because it puts less strain on the CPU when you are recording, as you are not compressing the video at the same time. However, the file size of the recording will also be bigger, so make sure you have some extra hard drive space. You can reduce the file size later by converting the video. We don't really need to modify anything else here, so just click on OK. Now to start recording, just click on the record button. You can minimize this window to the system tray. You are now officially recording, so you can do whatever it is you wanted to record. Please note, however, that Flashback Express is best for desktop recording, and you can also record some games in windowed mode. However, recording full screen games is not ideal with Flashback. There is another program for that, and I will be making a tutorial on how to use it to record your gameplay. When that tutorial is out, it will be linked in the video description. To stop the recording, just click on the Flashback Express icon on the system tray and select Stop. Or press Shift-Ctrl-S on your keyboard. Next, choose whether you want to review, save, or discard your recording. I will choose to save it. Select the file location and name. As you can see, it will be first saved in a proprietary format called FBR or Flashback Movie File. We will convert this to MP4 in just a moment, but for now, click on Save to continue. This warning may pop up, but just click on OK. Now you'll want to right-click the tray icon again and select Open Main Window. Then click on the File menu, go to Open Recent and select your recording. This will open up the Flashback player where you can watch and edit your recordings. However, what we want to do is export it as an MP4 file so that it can be used in other editing software or uploaded to YouTube. To do that, just go to the File menu and click on Export. Select MPEG-4 or MP4 and click on OK. Now you can choose some export options such as which frames to export, scaling, frame rate, video and audio quality, and codec. But the default settings should be okay. So to continue, click on Export, choose a file location and file name, then click on Save. Wait for the video to export and enjoy your new screen recording. In my next tutorial, I'll show you guys one of the best ways to record your gameplay for free, also without OBS Studio. So be sure to subscribe for more content, activate notifications, and remember to smash that like button. It's not that difficult and it helps me out a lot. That's it for now. See you again on Mostly Tech.